What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing every single print-on-demand product that is on Shopify from the top apps like Printify, Printful, Custom Cat, and Viral Style. So there's a lot of different ones and there's a ton of different shirts and materials, and which is the best for the money? Is it worth paying more and charging more for that material, or is the cheapest one worth it? So I'm going to go through, I'll show you me wearing them all real quick, and then I'll show you the price of each and what my pick is, what the material is like, and go over them. So I'm gonna be going over t-shirts, tank tops, hats, and hoodies because I think these are the most common. So this is every single one that Printiful, Printify, Custom Cats. So I've organized this one way. It's fulfillment. So who is it by? Is it by Printify, Custom Cat? The name of the actual shirt, because the brand has a lot of different variations, the actual brand name, and then the price with printing, just the normal printing, no double-sided. Obviously there's different prices and whatnot, so you guys can see the lowest price shirt all the way to the most expensive shirt, as well as tank tops, hoodies, and hats. So these are gonna be the ones I'm going to try on real quick, just make it very quick, go through, show you guys the material, what it's like, and then I'll see it in 1 second and we'll go over which is the best for the money. Real quick, if you guys want to know my details, I am about 6'1.5", 6'2", about 210 pounds. So keep that in mind when trying on the clothes. These are all larges, hoodies. There's a couple XLs I put on the screen so you know, as well as the shirt, but just keep that in mind.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with insane wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I love this lame shit. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me, it's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me, they all about the clout, see where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouths breathe, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day, seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical, but man, I got that chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional, so I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man, no that's not okay. Tell me that shit again and I'll stop the brain.
I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous, yeah.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 AM, I don't care, you got some shit to prove. Cause right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it, I've got it. Spitting all this, still I'm not it. I've got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm all in, ballin' on a budget. Man, I'm stalling, crawling, cause I'm nothing, but I'm all in, calling, I'll be something. Yeah, I'ma get it now, you can leave if you don't like it. Say it out loud, you believe it, you can bite this. Keep my head down and I keep on going timeless. Make it somehow, I believe it when I write this.
I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. And I just wanna be famous, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest, yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous, yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed my fantastic modeling. So how I organized this is I put the name of the shirt, the brand, the lowest price you can get that single shirt for, because you can see it comes from different people. $6 for this one, and then the same thing down here. So this one's $7.28, this one's $10.48, just from different people. So the lowest price you can get it at what is the material on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. If it fits good, just means it fits normal. Big or small means it's big or small, obviously. And rating, so out of the shirts, number 1 is the best, number 6 is the worst. So the Gildan one is pretty hard material. I'm not a fan of it. It did fit a little big as well. It's very rough. So I give that a 6. It's the cheapest. It's kind of what I expected. Next, we have the Anvil 980. Now, it was a decent shirt, very basic, very average. Material was okay. It was fine. I think you could get away with that shirt. I personally would not sell that one because there is a cheaper option that's better, which is the Gildan G640, which was the V-neck you saw. I had the V-neck because I want to see the material. It's the same material as the regular shirt. They just didn't have any. And that is $728. The material, pretty good. I'd say it's just about standard or above standard for most places you'd buy t-shirts. It fits fine. Next, we have the Bella Canvas. Now, the Bella Canvas, I think, is the best shirt for the money. Bella Canvas was $8.89 as cheapest with printing. Material was very soft. Now, if we're going to compare this to the Next Level 3600, they were pretty close with how they felt. I like the fit of the Next Level a little bit better. It's almost an athletic fit. So that is why I put that one a little bit higher, and that got second place. So if you're going in between, I'd personally spend the extra 14 cents to get the Next Level one. But either will do. You're not going to have people complain about quality with either of these. And then the Next Level 6010, $10. By far my favorite shirt. It's a tri-blend. It's a little bit see-through, so if you don't like that, that might not be the shirt for you. But that is my personal favorite. It fits amazingly on me. Material is super, super soft. Honestly, the best t-shirt I've ever felt. Now next, let's move to tank tops. So tank tops, again, last place, we have Gildan. Material, again, pretty rough. It's pretty much the same shirt material, it felt like, and it's $10, so it's at the lowest price, but still pretty high, and it was a big fit, if you could see in the video. Next, we have the Anvil. Anvil, gave it a 4. It's about average material, maybe a little bit on the rough side, but that's sometimes okay with tank top, but it is $13, so say no on that. Everything else fit fine. American Apparel was soft, but I expected it to be softer. Looks softer. It's not as soft as it looks. It's soft in general, but compared to the other two, it is not. Next, we have Bella Canvas again, coming in right under the Next Level. And these two, the top two, are both cheaper than the bottom 3 pretty much, except for obviously the Gildan is always cheapest, but I'd honestly never sell a Gildan shirt or tank top. So Next Level, again, coming in and winning with the material. It is $11.88. Again, super soft, feels very nice. It reminds me of the 3600 shirt up here that we talked about. Fits very good, and by far my favorite again. And one of the cheaper ones, actually, so it's nice. Just make sure you are choosing the cheapest person through it, because Printful is always the most expensive. You'll see that throughout most of these. So if you want to do it, you can just get Custom Cat down here, have a cheaper price, as well as the shirts. So hoodies. Hoodies, the Anvil one. All the material on these were fine. I expected most of them to be softer. They weren't as soft as I thought. So the Anvil, $31 was my least favorite. The material, it was fine. It just fit big. Otherwise, it would be tied right around with these. The District was a little bit small. Again, the second most expensive. Material was fine, about average. Next is the Delta. Delta fit good. It is cheaper. Material is about, these are honestly all about the same. And then surprisingly, the Gildan one, which is the cheapest, was my favorite by far, standout winner. It's soft and it fit well. So that was my favorite hoodie. And again, you can get that either, look at this, so Printful, $20.75, or you can go right here and get it for $16.50. Don't know why it says $14.16, but it's $16.50. And lastly, hats. Now, all the hats are honestly almost the same. The only one I did not like was the very first one, which was the blue one. If you saw it, it's $14. The material, it's just a little bit hard. It's made of acrylic. The other ones are part wool, part cotton. That one's part wool, part acrylic, and I was not a fan of that. It's a little bit hard. Honestly, you're not going to notice much of a difference, but it was noticeable to me. The second one was, again, Yapung, which was my second favorite. And it was the wool one. It's a little hot. I'm not a fan of the wool one personally, but that's just my personal preference. My favorite was the Sport Tech. It fits like an average snapback that you get from anywhere else. The other ones, pretty fine. All of them fit almost the exact same. So I'm gonna give it to the Sport Tech for the extra 16 cents. I think it's worth it. And again, shop around for prices. There's a bunch of different apps, and this is what I found to be the best. So these are gonna be the shirts and tank tops I'm going for. Honestly, more expensive doesn't always mean good. I would not go anywhere below this Gildan shirt right here. That material, I would not be okay with selling. So this is kind of where I draw the line for cheapest yet is okay enough. I'm personally gonna sell this one. Same thing with tank tops. Tank tops, honestly, all of these except for the Gildan one, get my approval if you want to sell it, but price is cheaper down here. So $11.30, 58 cents to get a little better. I'll spend the 58 cents. Next, hoodies. Honestly, all of these were fine. This is the only one I did not like, the anvil. So any three of these, I think you're good to go. And as far as hats, honestly, any of them, you're fine. This one just feels a little bit cheaper to me. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. I'm gonna be starting my print-on-demand business as well as Shopify in general pretty soon. So stay tuned, I'll have some more videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.